6 weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, and welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. Take a look at our Skycam along SPID there. Traffic is slowing down and the fog is forming across the region. It's going to get thicker before it thins out tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at the visibilities right now. Again, averaging about a mile near the coast, except over in Port Aransas at 5 miles, and better inland, but the fog will continue to spread across the region and visibilities will drop accordingly here overnight. By 1 a.m., 0 to 2 miles in much of the region, and down to 0 to 2 miles again by around 8 o'clock in the morning. So the fog is going to be problematic as we've got very warm air moving over the cooler shelf waters, and that is resulting in sea fog that's getting pushed slowly inland. So that's why it's mainly along the coast and going inland. Temperatures milder today, as Lee mentioned earlier, 60s with 50s further inland. Lots of cloud cover, but everybody is warmer than this time yesterday by anywhere from about 6 to 12 degrees. And the dew point temperatures, measure moisture in the atmosphere, is way up too. We're at 59 on our dew point temperature, and that's 9 degrees higher than this time yesterday. So that's the reason for the fog. Short-term forecast drops us slowly to about 60 at midnight with southeast winds that turn westerly here in the early morning hours, and that will result in more fog across the region. So watch out for that. The rain left the area and moved up to southeast Texas this morning, but the clouds remained. Behind that, though, there are some breaks out here to the west, and we'll see that and get in on that tomorrow as this low eventually carries off to the northeast. This is a surface low. Winds around the low rotate counterclockwise, so that's what's throwing that very warm, moist air coming from the central Gulf over the cooler shelf waters, causing the clouds and the fog to form. Got a stationary front up in Oklahoma. There's the Arctic front in Nebraska and Iowa. That'll continue to come south, and that will be here again. Now, that will happen by the time we get to Saturday morning before daybreak. It's only 15 degrees right now in South Dakota, -8 in International Falls, and these temperatures in the northern parts of the Plain States are only going to get colder over the time. Once this high gets out of the way, that happens tomorrow. That ridge will be breaking down and pushing off to the east, and that'll open the door for that cold air to come in. So tomorrow, ahead of all this, we'll see temperatures in the 70s, and morning clouds and fog will give way to afternoon sunshine, and it'll be pretty nice in spite of that humid flow off the Gulf. On Friday, the front enters North Texas, and we'll see high temperatures again in the 70s, maybe even a couple 80s down around Kingsville and Falfurrias. Saturday morning, the front will be in before daybreak. We'll see a line of scattered showers and thunder showers. Nothing severe with this, but we're certainly going to see some rain out of this as it pushes through. So here's the future tracker. Again, morning clouds. You can see them right here at 7 a.m. and then tomorrow afternoon at 5 o'clock, sunshine, maybe not quite that much, but we will see the sun come out. And then we're going to see, again, that front come through with scattered showers and thunderstorms here on Saturday morning before daybreak. Here is a look at your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. 56 tonight, 75, more humid and warmer tomorrow, 78 on Friday. And then windy on Saturday. We go down to 36 here Sunday morning and 38 on Monday morning. But Martin Luther King Day, the afternoon goes to 68, 38 to 68. Things are happening quick. Next front comes in next Wednesday, and the one behind that, I think, will produce a freeze here in the city. But this next two fronts, no freeze.
Okay, thank you very much, Dale.